Hi guys, I'm here in Tinkercad and I just want to show you step by step how to make the base for your robot. Okay, so once you are logged into Tinkercad, the very first thing you are going to do is you're going to come right here and you are going to click Create New Design. Now, because this is a design that we want to keep and we are going to keep building on every day, come up here, click the name, and change it to something meaningful instead of just the goofy words that Tinkercad puts out there. So I'm going to change mine to Robot Base. All right, now this next part is pretty simple. We need to make sure that our robot is on a hexagon base so that it can move around the battlefield. So all we are going to do is we are going to drag out a polygon. So right here we're going to click and we're going to drag out our polygon. Now because we want a hexagon, we want to make sure that our sides are set to 6. So we want to have 6 sides, and we can leave all the rest the same. The rest is fine. So just make sure it has 6 sides. We look at it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sides. Now the last thing we need to do is make sure that our hexagon is the appropriate size and thickness for our robot and to fit on our game. So I'm going to drag my ruler out anywhere on the work plane, and then I'm going to click on my hexagon to bring up the dimensions. Now the dimensions that we want for this hexagon are as follows. The side that is measuring from point to point. Okay, so the pointy corner of the hexagon to the pointy corner of the hexagon over here is going to be 38.1. And then we're going to hit enter. But now you can see our hexagon is all distorted. Those aren't going to fit together. We aren't going to be able to play a game with hexagons that are all distorted and warped like that. Okay? This dimension from flat side to flat side is going to be 33. All right? So this is going to be the area that we have to build our robot on. Now the last thing we want to change is we're going to rotate it back this way, is we want to make our thickness of our hexagon, okay, our thickness is going to be 1.75. And that is going to give us our hexagon base. Now, one last thing, if you want to do a little bonus that's going to make this a little easier for everybody, if you take the text, come out here and just type your initials and your period. And all you have to do is scale it down, make it tiny, and just put it on one of the corners and join it into one of the corners on your hexagon. You don't have to do this, but it's going to make it easier when we 3D print it for me to know whose is whose. So I'm just going to add my name here. Oops, sorry. If you mess up, you just press Control-Z and undo it, just like any program. So I'm just going to add my name right on that corner. I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to group it together. And then when you take your screenshot to submit it, make sure you highlight the shape, and I want to be able to see your dimensions. Okay, I want to be able to see it. So I understand that this dimension might change a little bit once you put your name on. That's okay. The big ones I'm concerned about are the 38.1 and the 33. Those need to be correct so your robot fits on the game. All right, guys, good luck. This is an assignment it's due. You need to hand this screenshot in. Make sure I see your measurements. And good luck, guys. I'm sure you can do it.